Hello teachers, in this video we are going to see how to apply some basic, some general and some advanced formula in our mark sheet. These formulas are going to help us in calculating total marks, average, percentage, along with how many students are getting less than 40% marks or more than 40% marks or 80% marks, like that. Okay, so we have got one sheet. On this, serial number, roll number, name of the student and the subjects are written, and these are the marks. So the first basic thing we are going to see that once we start scrolling towards downside, the heading scrolls up and heading gets disappeared because it is hiding up. So if we have to log these headings, that even if we want to scroll down, the heading should always be visible. In such case, now this is your heading. So below the heading, first cell, you can click here, go to view, freeze panes option, and you can click freeze panes. Now when I'm scrolling down, the heading is in its place. Now the next part is, now these are the subjects, these are the marks, and this is written maximum marks, and we have to find out total obtained marks. So this one is easy. We can write equal to SUM, that is sum. You can select the select the marks and then click here, scroll it down. So we have got total obtained marks. Now here these are absentees, all the cells are written absent, so we are getting 0 marks. Total marks, now we have to calculate percentage. To calculate percentage, put equal to sign, click total marks, divide by total marks. So the formula should be total obtained marks divided by total marks. Press enter, and here either you can write multiply by 100 like this, so you are getting 92.91667, or you can click on the cell and at the top on home you can click on the percentage symbol, so you will get percentage like this. Now all the decimal values have been rounded up, so you can click here. If you want some more decimal places, you can click at this point to increase the decimal. To decrease the decimal, here this will increase the decimal. Now again you can drag the percentage formula down. Now this is the, in this cell we have to find subject marks of maximum marks of subject, so that means you have to find the maximum marks here. That what is the maximum marks student have scored, so you can type equal to max, and then you can select all the marks. Don't select the heading part, otherwise it will include the maximum marks from the maximum marks cell, so you will always be getting the maximum marks only. We have to only select those cells which are containing the marks obtained by students. So we are getting 38, that is somewhere around 38 would be here, it is 38. Now you can just drag this formula here up to the subjects, so all the maximum marks is coming here. The next row we are having is total student subject wise. So if you have to count that how many students have given the exam, so let's see, equal to count, you can use count function and select all the cells containing the marks. Now I've included AB also. Now let's see, I've closed the bracket, here it is count, and I've closed the bracket, and you can see it is only getting 39. Although the total number of students is 40, but it is showing 39 because 39 students have given the exam and one student has not given the exam. That's why it has been excluded. So again we can I'll show you how to do it again. Equal to count and select the marks, or select the complete column containing the marks, and you can drag it toward the right side. Next is we have to find total marks subject wise. Okay, so if we have to find the total aggregate marks of all the students in each subject, so this we are just finding out just for the sake of finding the total marks. Otherwise generally we don't require, we only require to find the average marks. So we can find, again we can put sum and we can select like this. So we will get the total marks. So it is total marks subject wise. I'm dragging it here, and then the next is average marks of subject. So let's make it small, average marks. So we can do like this: total marks divided by total count of students, and we will get average. So this is containing the total count, total students subject wise, that is, you can say total students. Okay, so we can either divide the total marks by number of students and we can get the average, and we can drag it right side, or we can use equal to average. We can write direct this formula. We can write average function is used to calculate the average. Now in this case you don't have to take the add or division. Select, and the same average you will be getting here. So either you do total mark divide by total number of students, or you can just apply this function, average function, like this, average, and it is showing you multiple places, decimal places, so that can be reduced again from here, decrease decimal, like this. Now here we are coming to less than 40%, more than 80%. This is an advanced function, but still easy to learn. You can write equal to, you will use function count if. So we are going to count only if certain condition is true. So first we have to give a range. A range means we have to give this criteria or condition for which range. So the range is the same, that is the range which is containing the marks obtained of student. So you will select the range and then you will put comma. Then the condition, we have to apply the condition. Condition should be inside double quotes. So the condition within double quotes you will write less than, and you close this double quotes. So you are getting something like here you can see, and the condition is it should be less than 40% of 40 marks, or 40% of the maximum marks. So I am writing 40% multiplied by 40, because the cell's value should be less than 40% of total marks, then only it should be included in the count. But here one thing to be noted, that in criteria we give everything in the form of string, but we are going to calculate 40% multiplied by 40, so it is not written inside double quotes, so it is outside double quotes. But now we have to join them, we have to join the number with the string. To join, we have to use this ampersand sign here. Ampersand sign is used to concatenate two different values together, and it makes it string. So we have to use ampersand sign, so this is important. Now I am pressing enter, so it is showing 3, and I will drag it like this. So it is showing all the students, total number of students, those who have got less than 40%. Now the same formula again I am going to apply here for getting more than 80%. Countif range is, select the column, this, and scroll down. But have I written Countif? Yes, Countif D7 colon D46, then comma, within double quotes. Now we will write greater than, comma, sorry, not comma, we will put ampersand sign, and now we will write 80% multiplied by 40, and I'm pressing enter, and this is the now you can see the complete formula here, equal to Countif D7 colon D46, and D7 colon D46 should be inside double quotes. No, this is a range, and after that the condition is given, and the condition is inside double quotes, and then ampersand sign to join this string with the number, and we are getting 22. Finally, we have got total obtained marks, total marks, and percentage. So these are some basic functions which you may require while calculating different summary of your mark sheet. I hope it is clear. Thank you.